Hello, hi everyone. Today we are going to see a requirement from the business where they wanted to send the order confirmation from ARIBA to S4 HANA. This is not the business requirement, this is a vendor requirement. Now, whenever the vendor has got the purchase order from us from S4 HANA to the SAP ARIBA, now from their SAP ARIBA, they need to send the order confirmation to us. So for that, how we are going to set up the SAP system? That is also very important from our end. So let us see this function specification, how we are going to receive the order confirmation from the supplier from ARIBA system to the S4 system. Okay. These are not important topics. Let me move down. Let me check the business process first. In business process, from SAP S4 HANA, we were going to send the PO copy to the ARIBA network, and from ARIBA network, they are going to receive the PO copy. As soon as they receive the PO copy, they are providing the supplier confirmation from ARIBA. From that, the ARIBA, the supplier confirmation will come to the ARIBA network, and from ARIBA network, it will reach our S4 HANA system. This is a process flow. So how we are going to design this in the system? For that, you need to first decide which all information needs to be transferred from our system to their system, and from their system to our system. These all are the functions which you are going to transfer. And you have some of the function spec design you need to do so that interface will happen smoothly. Now, let us see. These all are not important. These are our security purpose. Here is a data which you are going to transfer from their system to our system, and from our system to their system. We are going to transfer the company code, purchase organization, purchasing group from the header table, which is EKKO. From there, we are going to use company code, which is BUKRS, and purchase organization, which is EKORG, and the purchasing group, which is EKGRP. So these are the important tables and fields which are going to transfer on the header table. In the item table, we are going to transfer the EKKO. From EKKO, we are going to transfer the MATNR, which is the material, and MENGE, which is quantity, and NETPR, which is price, and WERKS, which is the plant. So these details you are going to send it from S4 HANA to the ARIBA, and checking all the information, supplier is going to revert back with the same information to us. Okay. And now let's see how we are going to configure the system based on the criteria which we are going to maintain. First, we need to integrate the S4 system with the ARIBA system. To integrate that, you go to SPRO, then you will create the RFC destination, because RFC destination comes under IDOC, because we are using IDOC as an intermediate tool to transfer the data from our system to ARIBA system, and from ARIBA system to our system. So first you need to create the RFC destination. Then you need to create the port, from which port you're going to send the data, and which port you're going to receive the data. And create a logical system. We're going to define their system in our system, and our system is going to interact with our system. Okay, then you're going to configure the receiver port, because we are going to receive the order confirmation. So we need to configure the receiver port also. And you need to send the SAP information to the SAP ARIBA. If you want to send the attachment, you can do that also. But let me go one by one. To maintain the parameter, you will go to the path called SPRO. From there, you go to SAP reference IMG. There you see integration of the SAP components. How you are going to integrate, which all system you can integrate with the SAP. Then from there, go to SAP ARIBA Cloud Integration Gateway. And go to the global setting, support attachments, then maintain the parameter for line level attachment from Cloud Integration Gateway. If you maintain this, you are ready to send the document from our system to their system and their system to our system. That is the criteria here. Then you are going to create the body here. Okay, now go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, integration of other SAP components, then go to SAP ARIBA Cloud Integration Gateway. From there, create the body. Okay. As soon as you create the body, the system of both the system will get integrated to each other, and all the things like partner functions, everything will get interacted and everything will show in green. If anything is missing, then you need to check why this is missing from your end. Okay. Then maintain the parameters for document status update. Okay. Then you need to check on which time, which date, everything the document should be sent on daily basis or based on the trigger. Okay. Now here you need to set what type of document you can send to the supplier and what type of document you can receive from the supplier. Okay. Then schedule the job and maintain the job. Go to SM36 and create the background job. If you create the background job in body, you no need of generating the sending of PO purchase order manually, it will become automatic. Okay. Then enable the vendors for which all vendors you want to send the conflict PO copies, so that you can send the PO copies which all enable vendors, and the enable vendors can send the order confirmation to us. Then select for which all company code and which all vendor you need to have the SAP ARIBA information to be sent. That is Cloud Interaction Gateway. And then maintain the format, which format you need to send, and define the time zone also. And this time is getting moved. Then you are going to define the output types here. Whenever the PO copy is created, the output will get generated. Whenever the output is generated, at that point of time only the PO copy will be sent. If you don't have the output types, then the PO copy will not be sent to the supplier. Okay. Then maintain the parameter of the purchase order. What all parameter you need to have in the purchase order, and what all the information you need to transfer through the purchase order. Then, if you give this information to the developer, he will help you to write the coding so that he can integrate both the system to each other. Okay. Then you can assign the partner function or partner number to the company code, so that only for the company code this partner number will get integrated. Okay, then create the partner profiles and maintain the vendor in the partner profiles, so that you can transfer the data from this system to our system and our system to this system. Okay. This is the configuration what we need to do in the SAP to integrate ARIBA with the S4 HANA, so that we can send the purchase order to the vendor, and vendor can send the order confirmation to us through the ARIBA network only. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you.